You're 25, and you're playing a financial game where the rules were never explained. Every decision you make today, that coffee, that apartment, that job, echoes for 40 years. Think about that for a second. At 25, you're standing at the most powerful point of your entire financial life. Not because you have money, you probably don't, but because you have time. And time, when mixed with money, creates wealth. It's basically a superpower with an expiration date. We check Instagram 150 times a day, but our bank account maybe twice a month. We know our coffee order by heart, but not our credit score. We'll spend an hour researching which phone to buy, but won't spend 10 minutes checking our investment options. Some decisions compound positively, turning single dollars into thousands. Others compound negatively, creating decades of struggle. The difference between winning and losing? Simply knowing that you're playing. Your parents played with different rules. Their advice, while well-meaning, is outdated. The world shifted, but the playbook didn't. Chapter 1. Compound Interest Reality. If you start saving $200 monthly at 25, you'll have $525,000 by retirement. Start at 30? Only $350,000. Those 5 years of waiting just cost you $175,000. Every dollar invested at 25 is worth $4 compared to starting at 35. Money multiplies while you sleep. But most of us are hitting snooze on our wealth. The world wants quick riches, but actual wealth builds slowly, starting immediately. It's like planting trees. Start now or regret it later. The average 25-year-old thinks they'll invest when they make more money, but you'll always feel like you need more. That raise you're waiting for? Your expenses will mysteriously match it. Lifestyle inflation is real. Every income increase triggers spending increases. You get $5,000 more, you spend $7,000 more. After taxes, that raise is $3,500. But mentally, you've already spent more. Procrastination at 25 is the most expensive purchase you'll ever make. Chapter 2. Credit Score Impact. Your credit score determines whether you pay $200,000 or $300,000 for the same house. That number between 300 and 850, it's your adult GPA that actually matters. Missing one payment at 25 haunts you for 7 years. 7. That forgotten Netflix payment becomes a $100,000 mistake on your mortgage. Minimum credit card payments are a trap. Pay minimums on $5,000? You just enrolled in a 20-year payment plan. Total cost, $15,000. For stuff you don't even remember, the average 25-year-old carries $3,000 in credit card debt. With compound interest against you, that becomes $9,000 if you pay minimums. It's investing in reverse. Credit isn't just about cards. It affects your car loan, apartment applications, even job opportunities. Some employers check credit scores. Bad credit literally costs you opportunities. Building good credit is simple. Pay on time, keep balances low, don't close old cards. Boring advice that saves fortunes. Chapter 3. Career Strategy Truth. Job loyalty is dead. Companies have the loyalty of goldfish. Job hoppers make 20 to 30% more than loyalists. Switching every 2 to 3 years in your 20s builds both wealth and skills. Your company already has your replacement planned. You're a spreadsheet line, not family. The moment you become expensive or unnecessary, you'll discover their loyalty has limits. But switching isn't just money. It's compound learning. Every new position teaches different capabilities, expands networks, increases market value. Stay put and you become an expert at something that might vanish. Networking beats applications. 70% of jobs never get posted publicly. While you perfect your resume, someone else gets hired through connections. Unfair? Yes. Reality? Also, yes. Your career is a business with you as CEO. Companies manage their assets strategically. Why shouldn't you? Update your LinkedIn, reach out to people, take interviews even when happy, practice negotiating when you don't need to. Chapter 4. Investment Paralysis. You're sitting on savings while researching the perfect investment. Meanwhile, inflation is eating 3% yearly. That $5,000 in your checking account, worth $4,850 by next year. The average 25-year-old spends 6 months researching before investing anything. During that time, the market typically gains 5%. You just paid $250 for overthinking. Everyone's waiting for the market to crash to buy in. People said that in 2015, 2018, 2020, they're still waiting while the market doubled. Perfect timing is a myth. Time in the market beats timing the market. You think you need thousands to start? Wrong. Most brokers have zero minimums. You can buy fractional shares. Start with $50 if that's what you have. Index funds beat 90% of professional investors over 10 years. You don't need to be smart. You need to be consistent. Dollar cost averaging into an S&P 500 fund. Boring but wealthy. Every month you delay investing costs you thousands in compound returns. Chapter 5. The Health Expense Trap. Ignoring preventive care at 25 creates six-figure bills at 45. A $200 yearly physical prevents a $50,000 emergency room visit. Yet most 25-year-olds skip checkups until something breaks. Gym memberships seem expensive at $50 monthly, but diabetes medication costs $500 monthly forever. One prevented condition pays for decades of gym fees. Dental work compounds like reverse investing. Skip a $100 cleaning. That becomes a $500 filling. Skip the filling. Now it's a $2,000 crown. Skip the crown. Root canal and implant, $5,000. The average person spends $300,000 on medical costs in retirement, but preventive habits cut that in half. That's $150,000 earned by spending $50 monthly on fitness now. Your employer probably offers free wellness benefits you're ignoring. Free gym discounts, health screenings, mental health sessions. You're leaving money on the table. Every health dollar spent at 25 saves $10 at 65. Appreciate you sticking around. If you liked what you heard, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear your take. And if you know someone who'd enjoy this, share it with them. Chapter 6. Relationship Economics. Wrong partner selection is the most expensive mistake possible. Divorce averages $150,000, plus emotional devastation. Financial stress causes 40% of divorces. Yet couples plan weddings more than money management. Centerpieces get more attention than budgets. Fighting about money monthly for decades? Not romantic. Your friend group determines your net worth. You become the average of your 5 closest people, including financial habits. Surround yourself with ambition or mediocrity. Your choice. Weak ties matter more than strong ones for opportunities. That random LinkedIn connection? More likely to get you hired than your best friend. Your inner circle already knows what you know. Setting boundaries protects wealth. That friend who forgets their wallet, family needing constant bailouts, they're taking your compound interest. Choose your inner circle like assembling a board of directors, because that's what they are. Chapter 7. Mindset Mathematics. Fixed mindset versus growth mindset determines earning potential. Fixed mindset. People earn 40% less lifetime. Why? They stop learning when things get hard. Skills expire now. What's valuable today gets automated tomorrow. Fixed mindset says, I can't do that. Growth mindset adds, yet. 3 letters worth more than degrees. Failure at 25 is basically free. No kids, minimal responsibilities. Your risk window is wide open, but we play safe when we should experiment. Imposter syndrome affects everyone. That voice saying you don't belong, it's fear in disguise. Successful people feel it too. They just keep showing up. Perfectionism kills more dreams than failure. Waiting for perfect conditions means never starting. Done beats perfect. Progress beats planning. Your identity at 25 shapes your reality at 45. Believe you're bad with money? You'll prove yourself right. Chapter 8. System Building. Motivation fails, systems succeed. You don't need inspiration to build wealth. You need automatic transfers. Make decisions once, benefit forever. Set up auto investing. Build wealth while sleeping. Meal prep Sundays. Eat healthy by default. Your environment determines behavior more than willpower. Want savings? Delete shopping apps. Want fitness? Put gym clothes by your bed. Build 5 core systems: automatic saving, scheduled exercise, meal planning, sleep routine, learning time. These 5 on autopilot beat any motivation. Habits compound like interest. Read 10 pages daily. That's 12 books yearly. Exercise 20 minutes daily. That's 120 hours yearly. Track what matters. Can't manage what you don't measure. Spending, time, health. Track it or leak it. You don't rise to goals, you fall to systems. Chapter 9. Action Algorithm. Week 1. Open high-yield savings. Automate 10% income. Even $50 monthly. Habits matter more than amounts. Check credit score. Set up automatic bills. Boring but worth $100,000. Week 2. Download spending tracker. Update LinkedIn. Reach out to 3 people you admire. Not for jobs, for connection. Apply to 1 position. Interview practice while you don't need it. Week 3. Schedule physical and dental checkup. Join gym or start home workouts. Future you is begging. Pick 1 learning goal. Course, book, skill, anything that compounds. Week 4. Review all subscriptions. Cancel 3. Negotiate 1 bill. Cable, phone, insurance. They all negotiate. Set up retirement contribution. Just 1% if that's all you can do. Small changes compound massively. In 5 years, you'll be unrecognizable. Your move.